Hello and welcome to this training module for VMS Plus. In this training video you will learn how to use the VMS Plus sensors during a new VMS Plus scan. Before you begin, you will need your VMS Plus console, the VMS Plus sensors and a 2D echo machine. Please note that this feature is not available on the VMS Plus workstation software. On the VMS Plus study screen, select New to begin your new VMS Plus scan. We will follow the setup sequence shown on the screen. This is the probe sleeve. Each sleeve is designed for a specific probe type. The probe type is written on the outside of the sleeve. Locate cylinder end with the flat edge. This edge goes nearest to the probe lens. The sleeve is designed to be flexible to help fitment. Now get your echo probe with the lens upwards and pass the lead through the slot on the sleeve. Rotate the echo probe so that the probe side indicator is on the same side as the slot on the sleeve. It should fit tight, no movement. This is the probe sensor, the VMS Plus sensor designed to attach to your echo probe. This has a flat surface with tracks down either edge. The amber lights mean that the sensor is connected correctly to your VMS Plus console. Now take your echo probe and slide the sleeve along the tracks on the sensor. It should click into place and feel tight with no movement. Now pick up your patient sensor. It is more rounded with one flat surface. It can be identified by the patient label shown. Now take one sticker by removing it from the backing sheet. Carefully apply the sticker to the flat surface of the sensor as shown. Now peel off the second backing using the tab. The sensor can now be applied to your patient. The sensor can be placed either on the patient's right shoulder pointing towards the heart, or placed on the patient's hip pointing towards the heart. Once the patient sensor is attached, press Next on the VMS Plus console screen. The next stage is to pair the two sensors by following the steps on the screen. Take your echo transducer and gently slide the domed area of the probe sensor into the convex depression on the patient sensor. You should feel a slight ridge when they are located correctly. Let's look at that process in detail. Rotate the probe sensor to align with the patient sensor. Then slide to locate correctly. When located correctly, you will hear a soft beep as the pairing process starts. Hold the sensors together as the Ready to Pair progress bar fills. Once paired, you will hear a loud beep and the screen will progress to the next stage. You will notice that both sensors now have a green light. You can now begin your VMS Plus scan. During the scan, the sensor lights should remain green. Once you have finished your VMS Plus scan, it's time to pair the sensors again. To do this, press Done on the VMS Plus console screen. The sensor lights will then turn amber. Now put the probe sensor and patient sensor into the pairing position. When located correctly, you will hear a soft beep as the pairing process starts. Hold the sensors together as the Ready to Pair progress bar fills. Once paired, you will hear a loud beep, and the save message will appear. Press OK. To remove the probe sensor, push the sensor along the sleeve tracks using your thumb with your fingers gripping the sleeve. To remove the probe sleeve, hold the probe up and pull the sleeve down. The probe lead passes through the split. Now remove the patient sensor, and peel the sticking tape off the sensor surface. Please remember to clean the sensors as per the instructions in the VMS Plus user guide. Thank you for watching our VMS Plus training video on how to use the magnet-free VMS Plus sensors during your 2D echo scan. Please see our other training video for further features of VMS Plus.